Main Roads is using drone technology to support operations for the first time for the closure of Fremantle Traffic Bridge. Traditionally, we've relied on fixed cameras or sending crews out to site, which can be limited in coverage and take time to mobilize. Partnering with SENSOREM, this new drone-in-the-box technology instantly gives us on-demand aerial visibility. SENSOREM's CASA-certified pilots enable us to access live information when we need it, without having to deploy people into the field. It allows us to make faster decisions, manage traffic more effectively, and ultimately improve safety for road users.
SENSOREM's proud to be supporting traffic monitoring during the new Fremantle Bridge construction using our SenseHub Infinity drone-in-the-box system. Live aerial video is streamed directly into Main Roads Operations Centre in the Perth CBD. It's providing real-time visibility of traffic conditions across the bridge area, surrounding roads and key intersections. What makes this deployment truly unique is the use of 2 drones that automatically swap, allowing continuous live feed. It's a first-of-its-kind capability in Australia and a major step forward in remote drone operations.
Looking ahead, we see this playing a bigger role across our network as we continue to adopt smarter, more connected infrastructure.